Planets make sounds, not with air, but with radio waves. NASA has recorded eerie songs coming from Jupiter and Saturn that sound like something from a sci-fi movie. Olympus Mons on Mars is the largest volcano in the solar system, 3 times taller than Mount Everest, and as wide as the entire state of Arizona. Neutron stars are so dense that a teaspoon of their material would weigh billions of tons. Some spin hundreds of times per second, like cosmic lighthouses. At the heart of nearly every galaxy, there's a supermassive black hole. Its gravity is so powerful, not even light can escape. Voyager 1 has been traveling through space for over 40 years and is now more than 14 billion miles from Earth, still sending us data from beyond the solar system. Our Milky Way and the Andromeda galaxy are on a slow-motion collision course. Don't worry, the crash won't happen for another 4 billion years. Most of the universe is invisible. Dark matter makes up about 85% of all matter, but we still don't know exactly what it is. Some scientists believe we may not live in just one universe, but a multiverse, an endless sea of other universes, each with its own rules of physics.